societies are looking for alternatives to animal protein consumption. Are edible algae an option? In Denmark, researchers at AlgaeFood, a European interregional project, are convinced.
Algae is recognized as green gold. It is right now the right time to go away from production of fish or cows and meat from land to something that can offer higher nutritional values, low fat, and also lower carbon footprint when it comes to production.
Mads is Denmark's largest producer of edible seaweed. Its farm is located off the coast of Kerteminde in the southeast of the country. It cultivates two of the project's star algae. Palmaria palmata and Saccharina latissima are a mainstay of Japanese cuisine. They insert and attach the spores directly to the ropes to guarantee more than one harvest per year and is committed to sustainability.
I can harvest on the same plant year after year, maybe up to 3, 4, 5 years. And that way you have a lower waste of material, because you can use the rope for maybe up to 5 years. I could produce roughly 300 to 400 tons of Saccharina. It's a new thing, and we need to have the whole value chain in place before we scale up.
Another objective of this project is to raise awareness about seaweed consumption. Researchers and students are creating a cookbook involving 4 secondary schools, including the Laneland boarding school.
This one is called Bacon of the Sea, and it also contains a lot of protein. Just use this instead of bacon. It's more sustainable and it's also more healthy. And that's why the education part is so important. It's because of the youth, because they're the future, and they're the future consumers.
2 countries are participating in AlgaeFood, Denmark and Germany. The total budget, 1.9 million euros, 65% of which comes from European cohesion policy. The best way to discover a new food and its benefits is to try it. These students and the school chef have prepared seaweed-based dishes. A first for Rayhanne.
It has like a little chewy, crunchy texture. It's not something I usually eat or is served at the school. It's really unique. What I've learned about algae was that it has like 10 times more minerals than normal vegetables, which is really nice. I think I'm going to be eating seaweed more after this experience, so.